Hi guys, this is Loiseni Pinga here from Crystal Artist Group, Namibia. Today I'm very excited to share with you really important information in regard to prescription law. And prescription law just essentially allows one to be able to get your old debt written off and your name cleared of ITC in a legal manner. Okay, so feel free to really share this video with as many people as possible so that we are all aware of our legal rights as far as prescription is concerned. With that said, let's basically dive in. So, prescription is essentially just a legal process that allows one to claim a prescription on prescribed debt. What is prescribed debt? Prescribed debt is essentially just expired or old debt that hasn't received any action in the past 3 years. Okay, and there are three basic requirements for a debt to be called a prescribed debt. Okay, so one is that there's no payment activity that should have happened on this debt account for the past 3 years. Number two, no acknowledgement of debt on the debt in the past 3 years. That is no acknowledgement from you as the debtor, and no summons has been received by the debtor in the past 3 years. And in terms of summon is essentially just the first legal document that the lawyers serve you if you have breached your contract as far as your debt account is concerned. So if you have stopped servicing your debt, etc., and your account is handed over to the lawyers, the first document they serve you is called summons. So as long as that has not happened, then these debts can fall under prescription. Okay, so which accounts can qualify for prescription, or which accounts can you claim prescription on? There are various accounts that apply to this. Your retail accounts, so example like your game account, your dance account, Ackermans, Woolies, your short-term and long-term personal loans. So that includes bank loans and your cash loans, your credit cards, and also those loans that used to debit, for example, on your payslip. So your Letsehos, your Entrepos, Net Loan, Old Mutual Finance, etc. Okay, so all these accounts can be prescribed. Your telecom accounts as well is in your cell phone account, so that includes telecom, MTC. Those ones can also be prescribed, and also remaining balances on vehicle asset finances that have been repossessed. So if your car has been repossessed and you still owe a remaining balance with the bank because your car was sold at auction at a lower price than what you owe the bank, so that remaining balance can also be claimed under prescription. That also applies with furniture account remaining balances. So if your furniture gets repossessed and is sold at a lower price, so that you still owe the furniture account, so that remaining balance can also be claimed under prescription. Okay, so please don't fall into the trap where you get a call from a collection company and they inform you that even if you have just a $50, you can make that payment on that account and they can accept that. Generally, in regards to old expired accounts, this is just a clever, smart way the creditor is reactivating that account so that it does not apply in terms of prescription. So don't fall into that trap. If this debt is a long time ago debt and these requirements apply, simply don't make any payments. Let's rather do prescription claiming on it. Okay, if you would like assistance as far as claiming prescription on prescribed debt, feel free to contact us on our landline number, which is 065-238323. You can also email us on info@clgnamibia.com.na. These contact details are readily available on all our social media platforms. That includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and WhatsApp as well. You can find us there. You can also find these contact details on our website. But we will also be live going forward every Thursday at 6 p.m. on Facebook, where we'll be discussing various debt issues currently in Namibia. So you can also tune in there and you can be able to ask any questions you might have and also get contact details on how to contact us there. But in all essence, let's get your old expired debt written off, fellow Namibians. Goodbye.